So this is a quick tip in Premiere Pro. Of course, you all know the basic transitions within Premiere Pro, which are nice, but yeah, they're really basic. It gives you a dissolve from one scene to another, which is cool. There's a page peel, which you can do, which is, well, sort of horrible, I think. Yeah, that's not done. So I want to make something different, and I want to do it with help of Photoshop to make my own handmade transition. What I'm going to do in this little tutorial is get my last frame of the first shot and make a picture of it, export frame. It's going to be a JPEG on my desktop for this this time. Okay, and I'm going to go to Photoshop and open up this little JPEG. There we go. And I want to make 3 layers out of this. So I need to make a layer of the left hand side of this screen, including the door opening, and the right hand side of the door needs to be a layer as well. So I'm gonna select this area over here. Gonna close the selection and mask it. There we go. Now I've got this part of the image. So I'm gonna duplicate the layer, delete the mask, and do it again. There we go, mask. And then I'm gonna duplicate it again. Delete the mask, delete, and I'm gonna make a selection of this area, make it a mask, and of course invert the image, Command I, to get this result. Now I can bring these 3 layers into Premiere Pro and animate them, and I want to animate it like this. So I'm going to select a layer and move it downward like that. So let's save the file. Of course now it needs to be a PSD file and import it into Premiere Pro. Desktop, there it is. And I want to import all the layers, so I'm gonna select the individual layers. I want all 3 of them, and the footage dimensions need to be set to document size in this case. And now I've got 3 items over here which I can use on my footage over here. I'm gonna rebuild the frame. There we go. Let's move it on top of the other frame. And now it's time to animate the layers and get yourself a new transition. So I'm going to go to Effect Controls, Motion, Animate the position. So I'm going to toggle the animation on. There we go. It gives me a keyframe. Let's do that for all the layers. Keyframe. Another keyframe. Go further a couple of frames. Let's move it, this part, to the left, downward, and to the right. There we go, and that gives us this result. There we go. So that's a nice handmade transition which you can use in Premiere Pro. So make your own transitions and make them creative. Thank you for watching.